I'd like to show you my moped today because I've not been doing some videos lately. I've only done about 2 videos lately, and that was over my banknote collection. Anyway, yeah, let me go show you my moped. I should be on the road on my moped, going backwards and forwards to school in about 8 days. I just have to get insurance first, which is not a problem. So yeah, let me go show it to you. Just find the key. Like loads of keys in here. Here it is. So, sorry if you can hear like a tapping from upstairs. Either my brother or my sister is playing Guitar Hero or Rock Band, either, whatever it's called, on the drums. So there's like 4 motorbikes in here right now. And yeah, 3 of them are my dad's. And yeah, this one here is my brother's. And this one here is my dad's, and my brother's bike is actually blocking my bike, so I can't get it out, which is a pain. But anyway, yeah, this is it. So I'm going to open the garage door, and I'll give it a little rev for you. Do you want to press it? No? Okay, I'll press it. There we go. Yep. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Ignition on. Should we do it again? My lights are on. So yeah, that's it. Learner. See that? Learner. So yeah, this is a Honda Vision. This little thing, usually most mopeds will do 30 miles an hour, but because this is made in like the 1980s, it'll actually do 40, so it isn't restricted like the newer ones. But yeah, usually down a hill it'll do 40, but just on a straight it'll do 30. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.